if you chose that this is the city and this is what we need to work towards, what was the first biggest ever challenge that you came across which you said, okay, if I can crack this, I think then we've got a game and act right?
What is really interesting is that the tech ecosystem in Bombay is actually one of the largest profitable tech ecosystems, right? So if you look at the unicorn and sunicorn companies building out of Bombay, I think there's an appreciation on fundamentals, there's a business understanding, there's a level of professionalism in just the culture with which they operate, which is very unique. The second is that it is actually a hub. It is not just a finance hub. I mean, if you look at your top, 4 out of 5 largest by market cap companies are based out of Bombay, right? You have BFSI, you have media, you have consumer, you have manufacturing in the outskirts as well. You have a whole host of companies and enterprises based in Bombay, and also access to capital and credit. The stock exchange is located here. Most of the top VC funds and private equity funds are also located here, right? So I think in totality, it's a very interesting ecosystem you're building out because you're closest to your sources of capital, closest to your consumers, and closest to seeing your technology products being applied at scale.
When I hear you, I also somewhere hear you making a claim that this city understands the value and importance of money and making a profit. So it doesn't necessarily want to, at least the startup founders here don't want to burn money, someone else's money, and make their billions. They value profitability more and they understand the importance of making money or EBITDA better compared to other cities. Is that a claim that you're making?
It is not a claim. Actually, we had a McKinsey report commissioned last year, which is the vision of Mumbai in 2035. And we've literally called it AI 2035. And there's actually fact to the effect that if you look at the ecosystem that's building out of Bombay, the majority of the companies building out are actually profitable.
So you're saying people here, at least the startup founders here, get the dhanda more?
I think they make each rupee count and the teams understand the value of money.